Good day everyone. The title of our study is Assessment on the Proficiency, Issues and Challenges of Science Elementary Teachers in the District of Noveleta on Science Investigatory Projects Basis for Capability Building. National Science and Technology Fair showcases the knowledge and research skills of the students across grade levels throughout the Philippines. In line with this event, the regional and division offices also conduct their science and technology fairs as qualifying events for those who want to participate in the national level. The District of Noveleta limits itself in joining only one of the 6 categories of science investigatory project for the elementary level. This notion shows that only few teachers were able and competent in coaching and facilitating SIPs worthy of competing in various competitions. This study wants to know the proficiency, issues and challenges of the science elementary teachers in the District of Noveleta in coaching and joining SIP competitions. The results will be utilized in conducting capability building and technical assistance to science elementary teachers in order for them to join competitions in SIPs. For key literature, the main aim of Science Investigatory Project is for it to provide school-aged children with an engaging way to learn more about science, and the concept of performing scientific research is based on the study of Houghton in 2020. Science Investigatory Project is an open inquiry process that employs scientific method in exploring a problem or answering an important question. At the Department of Education, the conduct of science fairs has become an annual event that showcases SIPs in order to promote science and technology and nurture the culture of innovation among students. It also aims to identify projects which shall represent the country in international science fairs. This is based on Caporoso's study back in 2020. For methodology, this study includes all science teachers from grades 3 to 6 in the Noveleta district. The district has 41 elementary science teachers who served as official respondents. A mixed method approach is used. The quantitative data was collected by answering a 4-point Likert Scale. In the qualitative side, the data was collected by the answers of the respondents in the given questions. The research tool was validated by a master teacher of Noveleta district who competed in different competitions in SIP. Mean squares were used to measure the central tendency of the data collected using the Likert Scale for data analysis. The scale was described using standard deviation. Thematic analysis was used to identify the issues and challenges that teachers faced when coaching and participating in SIP competitions. For findings, for research question 1, what is the level of proficiency of science elementary teachers in the following parts of the Science Investigatory Project? For chapters 1, 2, and 3, it is slightly proficient. For chapters 4, project data logbook and ISA forms, slightly proficient, and proficient in chapter 5. For RQ2, what are the parts of SIP paper, of writing SIP paper does the science elementary teachers list proficient? So the table shows that the respondents were only slightly proficient in the majority of the parts of writing and preparing the documents for science investigatory projects. It includes sections in which they will identify their problem, cite relevant studies, methodology, presenting the results, and document their scientific research. Preparing the documents like project logbook, project data logbook, and ISA forms got the lowest average mean of 2.24, showing the struggle of respondents in preparing the said documents. Now, for RQ3, what are the issues and concerns of the respondents? Writing research, knowledge in various categories, experimentation, data collection, scouting for designated supervised or unqualified scientists, budget of research conduct, and availability of materials. For RQ4, what are the ways forward for improvement in the culture of SIP in the District of Noveleta, utilization of Science Investigatory Project Manual, and conducting of capability building? For implications, the results of the study will be utilized in facilitating a capability building for SIP coaches. The findings identify the topics that the coaches are lacking in knowledge and skills. It will be the basis for the topics to be tackled in the said training. For conclusion, this study demonstrated science teachers in the Noveleta district were incompetent in writing and coaching science investigatory projects. For recommendation, the results indicated that the science teachers are not well competent in writing papers for science investigatory projects. These are the references used throughout this study.